Welcome to our painting class. Today, we'll create a lovely winter scene with a cat watching a small bird on the windowsill. I hope you're in good spirits. Let's prepare our paints and begin. You can use canvas or watercolor paper, about 300 GSM or slightly less. Secure it with masking tape on any flat surface and set it up on an easel or table, whatever's comfortable for you. Use these colors or similar: zinc white, Naples yellow, gold ochre, orange, red, royal blue, raw umber, and indigo, very dark blue. I'm using 3 different sized brushes. For solvent, use odorless mineral spirits from an art or hardware store. Let's start by creating the window. Mix white and gold ochre. To darken it, add some raw umber. I'll show you the approximate mixing proportions. Now, let's add. As for solvent, wave the paintbrush like a butterfly. Mix white paint with a little blue. Will look like winter's atmosphere in our window. This all turns out well. Start with a simple pencil to draw the cat's silhouette, but only sketch the starting points of the tail, neck, and head. Mark your proportions and paint with burnt umber, a browner color. I use a really fine pencil to work, adding various colors to it. For example, take my sketch, display it on your phone, and see where to add lighter or darker colors to make the creature look three-dimensional. Wave your brush and enjoy. You're doing great. The cat gradually comes to life. Soon we'll switch from a fine to a medium brush and blend our strokes for more uniformity. Mix different colors, try things out, experiment. Don't worry about mistakes, it'll turn out great. Add orange, gold ochre, and Naples yellow where it's brighter. For dark spots on the cat, I use umber with a medium brush, blending and adding. Near the tail, use darker colors for shading. This gives volume. Make the tail slightly darker than the rest of its fur. Don't try to exactly copy my cat. Remember, this is about creativity. Paint your own whiskered friend. Use thinner sparingly, just enough to keep the paint from getting too thick. Try to apply paint with different colors side by side. Mix umber and gold ochre, see which looks better. Friends, more color variety makes a richer painting. It's more vibrant. Though we use few colors, they mix into interesting shades. Look at the cat. It's now more dimensional. I'm adding some white to our window and lighter fluff on the sides. Using burnt umber and a thin brush, I'm painting tree twigs. You can copy me or do your own thing. Look at the bird, see the egg. Notice the egg with a tail. One quick stroke for the beak. Mixing white and red for the bird's belly. For the head, I'm using indigo, a dark blue. For wings, I mix white and a bit of indigo. Under the tail, we add a little. We highlight the twigs with indigo, paint red viburnum or rowan berries, and shade the bunches, also shade with indigo. Add white for highlights, mix white and blue for snow, place it on the twigs and viburnum bunches. Videos sped up, but take your time. Enjoy the creative process. Draw royal blue snowflakes. Design them as you like. White. Looks great. I drew 3 snowflakes. You can add as many as you want, any size you prefer. From a blank page, a real picture has emerged with a cat, snowflakes, a bird, and maybe more viburnum or birds if you used your imagination. Hope you enjoyed creating. Rest well, get inspired, and look forward to our next painting lesson. It was a pleasure to spend time with you. See you soon.